Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing an update to my skincare project plan. So if this is something that interests you, then just keep on watching. I kind of feel like I look like a clown with green eyeshadow and red lipstick, but I rolled in a red lipstick in my whole collection project pan, so a red lip liner, sorry, so I'm trying to kind of, use it as much as I can, and I was hoping that the lipstick that I put on top will tone down the redness, but yeah, unfortunately not. Anyway, let's get on with the project. I have two products that I will be rolling out today, so I am going to start with those. The first product that I'll be rolling out is my Australian Body Care Tea Tree Oil Spot Stick. I used it all up. There wasn't much to begin with, so that was a given. This was fine. It's not something that I would repurchase, honestly, but it was nice to have, especially if that time of the month came around, and like now I have a spot here because I'm on my period, so that would have been helpful, but I can manage without it because I don't break out as much anymore as I used to, which is great. Just an odd spot here and there, that's no problem. I wouldn't repurchase, but I liked that I had it. In its place, I will be rolling in a totally different product. This is the Mitchell & Peach Flora No. 1 Fine Edition Eau de Parfum. This smells horrible, very herbal, like it smells like a herbal tea. Honestly, not a scent that I would like to have on myself whenever I'm out and about, but because I'm still working from home and will be working from home for the foreseeable future, probably at least until the end of the year, I can definitely use this guy up. So yeah, that's the plan. I'll be rolling this in, and then this will be out of my collection because this doesn't smell great. I just want it out. The next product that I actually used up today, is my Chorus Hydro Biome Probiotic Superdose face mask. So this was a very thick hydrating face mask that you would apply and leave on for about 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off. This was fine, but it's not something that I would repurchase. I know it's bad for the environment, but I prefer sheet masks because you just put them on, leave them on, throw away the sheet, and you're left with serum and you don't have to wash them off and so on. So yeah, I'm trying to get use all of the face masks that I have in this form because they're not my favorite. So what I'll be replacing this with is my Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. So this is a very tough mud based mask that works especially well for when you have breakouts, so which is perfect for me. I had a couple of these little samples already in my collection, which I used up, and this is the last one that I have, and yeah, I just want to use it up and that's it. I like it, but it's not something that is essential in my collection, so I just want to move it along. So now let's talk about the products that are staying in since last month. So let's talk about two products that will definitely be done by next update. This is my Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. I literally have 4 uses left in this, so if I postponed filming this for 4 more days, then I probably would have had it finished. But that's just the way it is. When I use this up, I will repurchase something else. I'm not quite sure what yet. I'm thinking of buying the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleansing Gel because my friend had it in her house. I used it and I loved how it made my skin feel. I was supposed to buy it instead of this, but it was a tenner in freaking Tesco. So I found a pharmacy that has it for $4.99. So, you know, I can pay $4.99 for a cleanser. Or TK Maxx has opened, so I might pop into TK Maxx and see what they have to offer, but we'll see. This will be done in a couple of days, so you will be seeing this as an empty next month. And I am very, very close to finishing my Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Love this. This keeps my skin so clear. I keep saying it over and over and over in these videos that this is absolutely amazing. A definite repurchase for me. I still have about 2 weeks worth of use left in this, and after I finish it, or after I get paid, I am going to place an order on Good Molecules, and this will be a repurchase. And I think I am going to buy the niacinamide serum, which I love, and maybe we'll see what they have, you know, on their website. We'll see. But yeah, this is a great, definite repurchase, and I'm so sad that I used it up. You know, I'm almost finished with it, but it's so good that it's worth every penny. Plus it's affordable because it's Good Molecules. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, this is my Avant Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Scrub. Unfortunately, I could not make a marking because there is loads of air inside of this, and you know, even if I squeeze it, or if I try to squeeze the air out, it won't work because actual product comes out. So unfortunately, I will have to wait until the air is out. But I can promise you, I used it at least 4 times over the last month, at least once a week. So we should have seen progress, but because of how this tube is, or how, you know, viscous this product is, it just didn't work this month, unfortunately. So no progress to show you, but I had been using this. Next up is the bane of my existence. This is the Naobae Little Treasure cuticle oil. Steady progress every single month. Oh my god, can't wait for this to be done. I mean, we've made so much progress already. We're halfway done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more months, and then this will be done eventually. Whew. Okay, there's nothing else I can say about this. I am just ready to be done with it, but yeah, it's not going to be anytime soon. Next up is my Soap Room Hydrating Face Serum. I did make good progress on this. You know, you don't need a lot because it has the consistency of an oil, so it just hydrates your skin very well. That means you don't need a lot. Use it sparingly because it does hydrate your skin very well, which I don't mind because I like this. So the longer I have it in my collection, the better. Next up is my Dr. Lip tint. This is the Elderberry pigment. I think 1 or 2 more months and we will be done with this guy. Like I mentioned in my previous video, this is something that I like but not love, because sometimes it makes my lip feel spicy, as I mentioned. You know, it just kind of irritates my lips sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't. I don't know what the deal with this guy is, but yeah, I want to use this up, and hopefully I'll be able to do that within a month or 2. Next up is the Avant Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch. So this is an eye cream. I made a marking, but I was thinking I did more damage to this, but I'm thinking there is an air bubble inside of this guy. So we'll see once that air bubble is out. This is a nice kind of velvety to the touch eye cream, which I don't mind. Feels nice on the eyes, I have to admit. I would not repurchase because Avant, super expensive. I don't know who buys that. I got these products in my subscription boxes, just so you know. But I would not repurchase, but it's nice on the under eyes. And then next up we have the Naobae Detox Unpolluted Unpolluted Oxygen Light Cream with aloe vera, green tea, ginkgo biloba, raspberry jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and grapeseed oil. I like this actually. It's not a bad moisturizer. I love applying this on top of the Soap From Hydrating Serum, because this is super hydrating and this is, you know, kind of light, so it doesn't over kind of hydrate my skin, which is just perfect for my nighttime routine. Yeah, this is nice. I'm glad to have it here. And the last product that I had in that I have in my skincare project pan is the Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder. So this is formulated with fruit enzymes, vitamin C, rice powder to soften, brighten, and gently exfoliate. I love this. This is so good. I had this in my collection for ages, but I had other exfoliators that I had to use up, and I so regret not trying this sooner, because this makes, oh, this is so good. This exfoliates my skin gently, without, you know, overly kind of irritating it. But after I use it, I can feel my skin being super soft and supple. Beautiful product. Plus you get so much product in this that this is going to take a while to use up. And you know what? I know I will not get bored with this guy because of how it makes my skin feel. I love it. I love Good Molecules. Such a good skincare brand. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Let me know in the comments down below if you had used up any skincare this month. I only used up 2 products. You know, this happens, I guess. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.